How to use the CapCut Video Editor on PC. And that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. I basically want to do is simply search for CapCut, and you want to click on the video editor over there, not on the actual website. And then you will get this pop-up over here. So here you can create a project. And you have like a TikTok project, TikTok ads, YouTube ads, blah, blah, blah. So I'm simply going to select blank canvas. This is, for example, the best if you simply want to use this for like actual video editing, not particularly for TikTok or Instagram or whatever. Then you can click on create, and then yeah, you are now here. So over here in the project settings, here you can upload a video, or you can, for example, drag and drop a video in here. Since I have an account, I have also a couple of videos in my cloud, which is pretty nice. So I can simply just add this video that was in my cloud in here. Super easy, just like that. So that's actually recommended to log in. And if you even want to export something, you have to log in as well. So once you have a video in here, you have a couple different options. So over here, you have undo, Control Z, restore, Control Shift Z, split is Control B, so you can split the video in different parts. Here you also have delete, reverse, crop, or mirror. So I'm gonna put this back, and yeah, so here you also have the volume. If you want to mute it. Let's say you want to do some actual like micro adjustments frame by frame, just like this. You can also zoom in like over there. And if you select the video, you also have a couple of different options over here. So you have the size, the position, rotation, opacity, for example, cutout, background, which is pretty cool. Background would, for example, be useful. Let's say you were to choose something like this, then you can go ahead and select a background color or just leave it black. And you also have the audio options here, so you can adjust the volume, fade in transition, fade out transition, noise, or you can even do some voice effects on the video sound. You can increase the speed, you can add some animations, which is pretty cool. And then on the left, you have a couple of different options as well. So here you have stock videos, and you have a couple of animations. So you can, for example, filter on animations, see a bunch of them. You can also go to like cutout text. You have some preset text animations. And you also have lots and lots of these like stock background footages, time lapses, which is actually great for if you want to have this in the background. So for example, here you can search for mountains, and then you get a bunch of like mountain background videos, which is actually pretty cool. As you can see over here, we're now previewing this clip, and that's actually really nice. Like the amount of stock footages they have is for free, is really good. So then you can also go to audio. Here you have some audio effects like sound effects, for example, fart or amazing surprise woman, beep, you know, stuff like that. And then music, you also have a different kinds of like standard sounds and music, a lot of them from TikTok as well. You have some text presets, stickers that you can add, which is quite funny. Effects, these are kind of nice for like edits and such, and transitions. As you can see, you also have transitions here in general. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And then filters like color corrections and stuff that you can add over your video, just like that, which is pretty cool. And then yeah, that's great. So here you also have library. There's more to come soon, but right now you only have Giphy, and then you can add like GIFs and such to your video, which is kind of funny. But yeah, that's kind of all there is to it. And once you are done with editing your video, you can click on export over here, and then you can give it a name, change the resolution to whatever you want. So 1080p, 2K, or even 4K. So I'm going to select 1080p, click on advanced settings, and here you can have like the highest quality, 60 FPS, and then change the format to whatever you want. And MP4 is recommended though. then you can click on export, and that's how you can export your videos. So that is great, all for free and very great quality as well. So I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time. Have a good